Okay. Hello, I'm George, the product manager of Cordial Cables. We have a wide portfolio of audio and digital cables, like this new microphone cable, or, for example, this Ethernet cable for very long distances. This one goes till 150 meters, it's category 7A, and it has so-called Telegärtner connectors with a high quality and some cable connector protection, just putting on. And you can connect Dante switches, for example, and other equipment with a high data rate and which needs low losses. And it also features power over Ethernet Plus, so you can connect little boxes with 23 watt power consumption. Thank you. No, anymore. Okay, you can call www.cordial-cables.com.